Hello, Namaskar and welcome to We Natural. Today we are going to look at a caffeine-free alternative to our regular teas and coffees. A roasted wheat grain coffee that will be delicious breakfast in a mug. Let's go look at this healthy recipe. So let's look at the ingredients. 50 grams of wheat kernels, 25 grams of coriander seeds, jaggery you can take as per taste, and coconut milk again can be added as per taste. And now let's get to making our wheat coffee. Now we will preheat a pan, preferably a mud pan, and we will take our wheat kernels and pour them into the heated pan. Now we will keep stirring the wheat kernels and roast them golden brown. Make sure to keep stirring the wheat kernels because you don't want them to char or burn out. What you want is a roasted coffee consistency. You will get the aroma of the sweet roasted flavor of wheat. You will hear the wheat kernels popping like popcorn, and that's the sound that tells you the wheat is getting roasted. So now that you can see the wheat kernels have turned slightly golden brown, be very careful not to char them, but you can see that they are turning almost the color of roasted coffee beans. Now once the wheat kernels are roasted perfectly brown, turn off the gas, let it roast for 5 more minutes in the pan itself because the vessel is heated, it's going to still keep roasting. You have to keep still stirring it and then allow it to cool for about 15 minutes before you can throw it into the blender and grind it into a powder. But before grinding, we have to roast the coriander seeds as well. So we have whole coriander seeds which we are going to pour in the same mud pan which is already heated from the toasting of the wheat kernels. I'm going to turn the heat on again. Keep the gas on slow flame because coriander seeds roast really quickly. Very soon you're going to hear some popping noises, and that's exactly when the coriander seeds have started to roast. It'll take about 2 to 3 minutes, not more than that, to roast these seeds. You can visually see a little bit of smoke rising up, and you'll be able to smell the fresh coriander masala, and that's how you know that the seeds have started to roast. Now these coriander seeds are nicely roasted. The aroma is really pleasant, but it's almost about to char, so I've turned off the flame and now I'm just stirring it over the hot vessel. Now we will remove these coriander seeds and the wheat kernels onto a flat plate and allow them to cool for about 15 minutes before we can grind them into a powder. So as you can see, the consistency of the powder, it's pretty much coffee-like. You can roast the seeds a little darker if that's what you like to see in the color, but this is good enough for the taste, the flavor, the aroma and the health and nutrition of this healthy recipe. So once we are done making the powder, we will store it in an airtight container. You can store and keep this for about 8 to 10 days and use it as per your liking. Have a cup of coffee every day, a brilliant caffeine-free alternative to your regular tea and coffee. The goodness of spices, the nutrition of wheat, and a soothing flavor to start your day with. You shut this and keep this for later. So once the water comes to a boil, this is about 2 cups of water. We will add 2 tablespoons of the coffee powder that we just ground and mix it up and bring it to a boil. This mixture will thicken up as it cooks, and meanwhile that it's boiling, I'm going to add about roughly 2 tablespoons of organic jaggery. This is absolutely as per your taste. If you do not like sweet coffee, you could avoid this step completely. Now we will strain this liquid into a larger jar. We strain out this whole liquid so that the wheat and the coriander fiber is all out of your coffee. We will strain all of the flavors from the fiber of wheat kernels and the coriander seeds. We don't really need the fiber, we just need the flavored water. And there we go. That's our coffee concoction. So now to this coffee concoction, we're going to add some vegan milk, that is coconut milk. You can add as much milk as desired. I am adding about 1/4 cup to 1 cup of coffee concoction. I'm going to mix it up. We've already added jaggery for the sweetening, and there your coffee is ready.